Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Fun Planet. So today I'm going to show you how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Don't get daunted by seeing all these cubes. If you get a knack of it, you can do them all. So let's get started. Let me give you a brief overview of the cube. So we have three layers. This is the first layer, this is the second layer, and this is the third layer. And this is the centerpiece. The pieces which have two colors are the edges, this, and this, and the ones with three colors are the corners, this, and this. So to get started, let me shuffle the cube. So here's the shuffled cube. So now I will teach you how to solve it. We have to solve the cube in three layers. We have to do the first layer first, then the second, and then the third. So to solve the first layer, we have to choose any center piece. Like I have this blue piece. Now we have to connect the edges of the blue to this. So here we are. I have connected this edge. The edge has the blue and yellow color. So now we have to connect it with the yellow center. So here we go. We have connected it. So now it's connected both to the blue and yellow. We have to do with this with all the other edges. So here we are. This is the blue and the orange edge. We have to connect it to the orange and then to the blue. Here we are. And now the rest of them, the blue and the white, and the blue and red. So now we have made this plus sign over here. So we have done the edges. Now we have to get the corners aligned. So here are the corners. This one's here. It has the white and the orange by its sides. So we have to get it over here. See, this is the orange color, this is the white color, and this is the blue. So this edge has to come over here. So we have to bring it like this. So it's here. Now the next edge. Where is the next edge? Here it is, the blue, red and white. We have to get it over here because it's the blue, red and white. So here we are. And the last. So we have solved the first layer. So now we have to solve the second layer. To solve the second layer, we have to get the edges over here. So here's the edge, the white and the red. The white is connected to this and the red is over here. We have to bring this piece over here. So what we have to do is to bring this edge to the opposite side of the other color. Like we have, the other color is red. So we have to bring it to the opposite side over here. Now we have to bring this down, this here and up, then do like this and this. Now we have to look for another edge. Here is it, the red and yellow. We have to then connect it to the red side, get it opposite to the yellow side, bring this down, up and up. We have got this piece over here. So now to the next edge. Here we have the yellow and orange, get it opposite to the orange side, get this down, this here. So we have to bring it the opposite way. So we will first remove it from here. Now it has come down. See, the white and orange is over here. Connect it to the white, get it opposite to the orange and do like this. Here it is. So we have solved the two layers of the cube. So two layers of this cube are solved. Now to the last layer. In the last layer, hold the cube invertedly. So we see there is an L sign over here. Neglect the corners, just look at the edges and the centerpiece. Here we have an L sign. So now we have to solve this. So there is an algorithm over here. You have to take the L like this, move this up, then this up, then turn this like this, get it down, turn this and get it down. You got it? So I will show this again. Like this, we have got a bar over here. So we have to get the bar solved. So we will do like this again. Up from here, turn, down, turn, down. So we have got the plus. You remember this plus sign? We had got it in the first layer. So now we have to connect all the edges. So we have two edges connected over here. The green and orange and the green and white. We have to connect the other two edges. The unsolved edge should be to the left side of the solved edge. We have another algorithm over here. This is up, turn, down, turn, up, turn, down. Now all the edges are in place. Remember the algorithm: up, turn, down, turn up and turn down. Now we have one corner solved and the other three are unsolved. So now we have to look towards the corner. To get the corner solved, we have another algorithm. That's the final one, I promise. We have to take the unsolved corner to the left side of the solved corner. So here we are. Now the final algorithm, here we are. Up, turn, down, turn. We do it again from this side. Up, turn, down, turn. Now you can see this. The two corners are completely solved and the other two corners are in place. See, the green, yellow and orange, green, yellow and orange, green, red and yellow, and green, red and yellow. So now we have to do the algorithm that we had done earlier. Up, turn, down, turn up, turn down, up, turn down, turn up, turn down. And again, up, turn down, turn up, turn down, up, turn down, turn up, turn down. So here we are, the cube is solved.